Let's prove the trigonometric identity that states 1 over secant squared a plus 1 over cosecant squared a equals 1. To understand this proof intuitively, let's first recall some key relationships using the unit circle. In a unit circle, we know that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. We also know that secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Now, let's solve this step by step. Let's start with the left side of our equation. For the first term, we know that 1 over secant squared, a, is equal to cosine squared, a, since secant is the reciprocal of cosine. Similarly, 1 over cosecant squared equals sine squared a. Substituting these values in, we get cosine squared a plus sine squared a. And here's where we can use the fundamental Pythagorean identity. Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Therefore, our left side equals 1, which is exactly what we wanted to prove. To summarize, we proved this identity by using two key concepts: the reciprocal relationships between secant and cosine, cosecant and sine, and the fundamental Pythagorean identity. This shows how different trigonometric relationships work together to create new identities.